Hey guys, it's Autumn with KAJ Bath & Body, back with another soap making video. Today I'm making a rainbow soap, and I'm going to try a new technique called this feather swirl. And it's a really cool technique, and we'll see. As you'll see, it didn't really turn out the way I had planned. I was trying to do a rainbow, but my colors just didn't look right. They got muddled together. So I got the basic technique down. So I'm going to attempt this soap again, but I'm going to choose my colors differently so it actually looks like a rainbow colored soap and not so dark, as you'll see. Okay, I'll be back. The fragrance oil that I chose is a really good fragrance to use if you're trying to keep your batter very fluid. It's called Chardonnay wine, and it is a fragrance oil that decelerates your soap. So you need to be a little bit careful, because if you don't mix it enough and you pour too thin, well, with my recipe, it will give me soda ash, which you'll see in soap that I did get quite a bit of some soda ash, which is easily taken care of with a good steam or a wash. You can wash the top of your soap. But it is a yummy fragrance, and it slows down your batter, so it's a good one to work with. So when I'm talking about the colors being wrong, I'm not actually talking about the colors themselves. They're obviously rainbow colors. They're the right colors for the rainbow, but they're the wrong tone of colors. The red is fine. It's trial by fire. My orange is too fluorescent for how dark the other colors are. My yellow, that brown is actually a yellow. For some reason, every yellow that I get turns to that gross color until it saponifies. The green is too dark, and it's much of a forest green. And then my blue and my purple are so dark that they look like the same color. So it's not the bright, cheery tones, a tone of colors that I want for a rainbow. So when they're all together, and then they kind of get muddled in the pour, it just was not the look I was going for. So my second attempt, at this soap, I think really will turn out a lot different. I'm going to choose brighter, happier colors, and hopefully the overall rainbow feel will come through. The next soap is going to be the exact same pour. I really like this feather swirl. It looks really cool. Okay, we're about to see the pour, so stick around. I wanted to take a second real quick and blab about the soaping community. Now, this is actually like the fourth soap that I have tried to do some type of swirl with rainbow colors. And every single one, I've had the same problem with the tones of the colors being wrong, but I didn't know that that was my problem. So I reached out to Keely over at Soy and Shay, and when she messaged me back and said about the tone of colors, the light bulb, it just went off. And I was like, oh my goodness. It wasn't even on my radar that this was my issue, but it made complete sense. So I love this community. We help one another. There's so much knowledge that can be tapped into, and that's why I've been, so lucky to have the peeps that I have to talk to, so I can learn and grow. And if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be where I'm at. So it's just a good community, and I'm having a great time. And I just wanted to say thank you, Keely. I think I got it figured out, and we'll see you on the next soap. Hey guys, so what did you think about that pour? I think it's pretty cool. Wait till you see the kind of effect that it has in the end soap. I had some leftover batter, so I put it in the little pie mold here. These turned out pretty cool. So the cut is coming up next. Don't go anywhere. You'll want to check this out. All right. Well, look at that. Isn't that pretty cool looking? It's definitely not the rainbow vibe that I was going for, but it is a really cool looking swirl. Now, I got this idea from Nathan over at Clover Soapworks. And yeah, he has a beautiful soap that is rainbow, does his feather swirl. He does a lot of feather swirls, and I've been watching his videos and thinking I have got to try this. So that's who gave me this brilliant idea. I'll insert a picture of his soap that I was trying to mimic, try to get something close to, but his is just gorgeous and out of this world, and I fell a little short, but I'm going to practice it. I'm going to figure it out and get it done. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you want to see more, make sure you hit the notifications. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this one. All right, bye.